In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Hostinger file manager using the hPanel dashboard. If you have a website hosted on Hostinger, the file manager is one of the most important tools you can use. It allows you to view, upload, edit, delete, and organize all of the files that make up your website directly from your browser without needing any additional software. This is especially useful if you want to quickly edit website files, upload images, modify code, or troubleshoot problems with your site. The best part is that Hostinger makes this process very simple using their custom control panel called hPanel. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to log in, open your website dashboard, and access the file manager in just a few clicks. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and software tutorials. Now, let's jump right into it. First, you need to log into your Hostinger account. Open your web browser and go to hostinger.com, then click the login button at the top of the page. Enter the email address and password associated with your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you log in successfully, you'll land inside the Hostinger hPanel dashboard. This is the main control center where you manage all of your hosting services, domains, emails, and websites. If you have multiple websites connected to your account, they will all appear here inside the dashboard. From this page, you can access settings, hosting tools, backups, databases, and of course the file manager that we're looking for in this tutorial. Next, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click on the section called Websites. This area shows a list of all the websites currently hosted on your Hostinger account. Each website will have its own management options and dashboard. Find the website that you want to manage and then click on the dashboard button next to that site. This will open the specific management panel for that website where you can control everything related to it, including domains, databases, security, backups, and file access. Once you are inside the website dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the File section. Scroll through the available options until you see a section labeled Files. Inside that section, you will find an option called File Manager. Click on File Manager, and Hostinger will open the built-in file management interface directly in your browser. After it loads, you will now see the complete file structure of your website hosting account. Inside the File Manager, you'll usually see a folder called public_HTML. This is the most important directory because it contains the main files that power your website. For most websites, this folder includes files like index.php, HTML pages, images, themes, plugins, and other resources used by your site. You can open folders, upload new files, download files, rename items, delete files, and even edit code directly inside the browser. This makes it very easy to manage your website without needing to connect through FTP software or other external tools. For example, if you need to upload a new file, simply click the Upload button and select the file from your computer. If you want to edit a file, you can right-click on it and choose Edit to open the built-in editor. And that's basically how you access the Hostinger file manager using hPanel. It only takes a few clicks once you know where everything is located. Just log into your Hostinger dashboard, go to Websites, open your website's dashboard, then navigate to Files and click File Manager. From there, you'll have full access to manage your website files. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy website tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.